Alright, anyway, so as you can see, the new engine is in. We've just got to finish up on a few things. Let's see. There we go, we get a better view. So yeah, we got to put the AC compressor, alternator and whatnot back, power steering pump and whatnot back on, put the belt, all that. And then we still got to put the radiator, AC condenser and everything back in. But as you can see, it's in. Biggest thing is, like I said, make sure you get the 2 wires that go on the back of the block. They are back in there. Best time to do it is before the engine gets all the way put back in, where you can still kind of twist the engine around and whatnot, and then you can get your hands back there pretty easy. But other than that, everything's back in. Outside of the components I stated, I still got to install. got everything back together and whatnot. The only thing we're lacking is a hood, skid plates, and charging the AC. We'll pull a vacuum on it and charge it. Got new oil in and new filters. Transmission is currently topped off. We'll see if it starts, see how she runs. Coolant's full. And we'll double check everything, make sure everything is A-OK. Starts like a champ. Well, on the plus side, it starts good and there's no signs of any leaks. Engine oil level is good. Alrighty, let's take it for a spin. Alright, she runs smooth. Everything seems to be good. Seems like it's got its power back. So, I'll call that a win.